Hi, good morning, everyone. Yes, today is Saturday, and the last day of January 2026. Now, I want to share to you about my greatest mistake when I do business. Sometimes we are too ambitious. We are too young age. We are too aggressive. Aggressive in the sense that should there should there come an opportunity, we do not think or contemplate, but immediately we jump in doing that. So my mistake was that I really like to make quality product, especially glass and aluminum. So when I meet a certain person, I usually check and see how can I able to obtain those equipment too. Like we used to have the blasting machine. We blasted the glass so that it will look frosty with the drawing edge. We also have this engraving machine, glass engraving pen. We purchased also this beveling machine from Italy, and that was a circular shape because beveling machine has two kinds. One is the straight beveling, and the other one is the shaped beveling. We also purchased powder coating machine from Switzerland, and hoping I can produce better quality. I can give good quality for the clients. But that was a greatest mistake, because in business, right timing is the right business. Wrong timing really come out wrong. Mine was a wrong decision because it was a wrong timing. Too early. Very early for the market of Capiz and Aklan. So, wala, hindi nag-result ng positive. Puro lahat nagiging white elephant. So it was a lesson learned. It was a mistake in my decision in business. And it was a learned lesson that one should control its feeling. One should see surroundings very clearly. One should understand the market force. One should know how the market influence your product. How your product influences the market. That's it. And no regret. You can always learn through our mistake. Now, I want to share to you how to spot a low quality materials. All right? A low quality materials openly offered to us on a cheaper price. Cheaper because inferior, of course. And we as buyer, we tend to catch the attention basically of the price, and that is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Of course, we always value our money. Correct. I understand we need to do that. However, if we value our money, we should buy good quality so that there is no regret. Because, you know, when you buy a goods that doesn't stay long or will not stay in longer life, it means you have to buy again. So buying twice is expensive than buying once. Besides, you lose your money, you lose your time, you lose your effort, and you are at the losing end. We have to remember always. We have to remember always. Buying low cheap, well, I mean, always is low quality. They sacrifice quality in order to entice you to buy, in order to get your money. That's their purpose. When we do business, we don't do that because we would like to remain in the industry for a quite period of time. I want to put a legacy that we are fair when dealing business. You pay what your money worth. And we do not do business if we will destroy our name. We will never do that. Pera lang yan. Pangalan, sira, wala ka na eh. Di ba? Pera, makikita yan ulit. Ang pangalan, pag nasira, wala ka na. Nobody will trust you anymore. And in any coming dealings again, nobody will believe you. Instead, they will doubt you. And so we have to protect our business by selling good, better quality. Hindi yung presyo na hinold up mo lang tao tapos sira pala nabili. After nilagay mo na ang bintana mo, lumakas na ng typhoon signal tree ang bahay, nawala na ang bintana mo kasi lahat nasa baba na, laglag na lahat dahil sa hangin. It is not the right way of doing business. Instead of serving, you serve the people correctly, you are destroying them. And these buyers do not remember always that when you buy things, you need to go after the word, after sales service. Kasi karamihan yan, pag nabentahan ka na, hindi mo na makita yan. Especially those who are backyard industry. Hindi naman sila legit eh. So, ang status is that you see, you don't. You don't? You see. Yun ang style. And so, ang after sales, definitely, mawawala ang guarantee na after sales sa'yo. That's number one. Number two, remember always, makapasok dito ang imported na materials na mas mura pa sa local. Remember, mas mataas ang standard of living nila doon. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas ang labor. Kasi they belong to the first world country. Tayo dito, nagiging mahal kasi they are sacrificing the price. They're sacrificing the quality. Yung, kumbaga half-cook lang. Kung sa tempered glass, hindi masyado luto. In a moment, bibigay basag. Kung sa aluminum, hindi standard ang kapal. Typhoon number 3, wala. Wala na. So, ayaw ko nang lukuhin tayo. Ayaw ko nang we Pilipino lulukuhin lang. Ayaw ko nang gano'n. So, this we have to be very careful. And the aluminum and glass business is already my passion ever since. And this will be a legacy of a family business like ours. Another thing na ginagawa ng mga galing sa ibang bansa is that we have to remember always, please. Mayroon yan silang extra expenses. Freight and arrastre all the way from the origin to the destination, Philippines. Pera yan, gastos yan. Add-on yan, dolyares ang bayad niyan. Tapos, mura pa sila sa local. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? They are making miracles or they are cheating us, Filipino. Yun. Lalimin natin isip natin. Tayo, ang factory natin, nasa Luzon lang eh. Any moment time, pwede natin ma-replenish ang availability of stock natin dito eh. Sa kanila, putol-putol eh. Kasi batch by batch man yan. Container by container man ang arrival niyan. So, maya-maya meron ganito. Maya-maya wala na. O sa atin, continuous yan. Kasi local product na. That's number 2. Tapos, yung mga local produce, siyempre, ayaw naman pagalitan ng mga customer yan. So, proteksyonan din nila ang quality nila. Otherwise, yaw-yawin din sila. O bakit na pinalutsan mo ng ganyan. So, those are things na nabubura sa isip natin dahil kumagat tayo sa presyo. Those are the rights things to do sana para sa atin. Kasi atin man yan, bahay natin yan. Di ba? Bakit natin lalagyan ng hindi maganda, hindi magaling? Tayo din ang magsasakripisyo niyan. Pagalitan tayo ng asawa natin, bakit ka bumili ng ganyan? Tinan mo, sira na. So, those are things that I want you guys to understand. And by Monday, I give you another good topic. Meantime, enjoy your weekends. Happy Saturday. Bye-bye. Love you all.